Hi, in this series of network basics, I wanted to visit another Microsoft network capturing tool. Um, we've mentioned NetSH as a native tool in Microsoft, and this article talks about actually capturing TCP traffic continuously using various tools like Wireshark or Tshark, TCP dump as well on Linux environments. But in the Windows, there's a native NetSH, which produces a event trace log file that can be analyzed by Microsoft Message Analyzer, which is now defunct. But then there's another tool as well called Microsoft Network Monitor. This tool is actually still downloadable from a Microsoft website, so it's safe and legitimate. It's just no there are no updates being made to the tool. You would download it. It's part of the system's internal page, which offers various internals and is still being updated with various tools for troubleshooting. There's also a page which has all of the different Microsoft tools that can be used. So we'll be visiting some of those at a later time. Anyway, once you download this on your laptop, if you install the monitor tool, then it will launch. You do need to start it as a admin so that it will be able to decipher process names. So what we want to look at is set up a quick filter, start a trace. So here, this interface is not the greatest, but it does allow you to, again, capture information. So if we look at start page, we do create a new trace. Then we will move to this page, which will allow us to add some filters. So what I did, I looked up the IP addresses of the Boomi Atom, and I have that showing running on my laptop. So I have this IP address I'm tracing, this IP address I'm tracing as a filter. And you can be very granular. Here are also some TCP ports that are part of the Atom. So if I apply this filter, then start the capture, then you should see some traffic coming in. And you see Chrome. We have a Zscaler proxy on our systems as well. And you can see also traffic that is coming between the Atom. So if I raise this up a little bit here, move the filter, then if we wanted to highlight or do further troubleshooting, we can see that our Atom has these sessions, and we can actually see the IPv4 sessions between. So you can see it growing sessions of communication. We can even look at some of the threads that are there, the conversation IDs, and we can look at, for instance, a client hello. So if we wanted to look further into a client hello to see what is part of that for the session to be secure, we can open this up. We can look at the version. We can look at meaningful data as far as the client hello. We'll break this out as well. You can see the cipher suites that are being offered. And then you can look at the server name as well as being broken out. For the server hello, looking at that, we wanted to look at that, we can actually decode this as well. So this is the reply coming from the server. We could want to look at certificates, which we often want to do. Here you can see the certificates are broken out, and then you can see the certificates that are being used on this particular server. So very, very useful tool, very powerful for Windows, and you can use it for various troubleshooting. We'll use this as well as maybe Wireshark to look at a PKIX exception in a later video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for your time and viewing.